In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do email marketing to subscribers with Kit. We'll walk through the full process of creating a broadcast email, choosing who it goes to, and getting it ready to send. So by the end, you'll feel confident sending campaigns to your audience. First, let's create your email. In your Kit dashboard, look for the main navigation and go to the Send section, then click on Broadcasts. This is where all of your one-time email campaigns live. To start a new one, click on the button that says New Broadcast. Kit will then prompt you to choose a template. For a simple, flexible starting point, select the template called Starting Point. This gives you a clean layout you can customize however you like, without a lot of extra design getting in the way. Once your template is open, start by typing your subject line. Your subject line is what your subscribers will see first in their inbox, so make it clear and specific. Aim for something that tells them exactly what value they'll get from opening the email. After that, move into the main body of your email and write your content. Keep your paragraphs short and skimmable, and make sure there's one main goal for the email, whether that's clicking a link, reading an update, or checking out a new offer. As you write, think about speaking directly to one person instead of a big crowd. That usually helps your message feel more personal and engaging. When you're happy with your content, it's time to choose who should receive this broadcast. Look toward the bottom right of the screen and click Continue. On the next screen, you'll see a section labeled, Who would you like to send this to? Go ahead and click Edit there. By default, you can choose all subscribers, which is great if this email is relevant to your entire list. If you only want to target a specific segment, click Add Filter. From there, you can narrow your audience by selecting a tag, so only people with that tag will receive the message. This is useful for sending more targeted campaigns, like updates just for customers or people who signed up for a particular lead magnet. Once you've chosen the right audience, click Update to save your selection. Now let's get your email ready to go. Click Continue again to move to the final preview screen. Take a moment here to review everything, your subject line, your content, and the audience you selected. When everything looks good and you're ready for it to go out, click Send Broadcast to send it immediately to your subscribers. And that's it. You've created, targeted, and sent a broadcast email in Kit.